You will love this quick and easy eggless pasta recipe made using all natural plant-based ingredients. Add 2 cups of semolina flour and a sprinkle of salt on a working surface. Make a small well in the middle and slowly add the water and oil to mix. Now you can start the kneading process. You want to knead for about 12 to 15 minutes to ensure a good consistency. Let the dough rest in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Now for the fun part. Divide the dough into smaller portions and roll it out on a properly floured surface and cut into pasta strips. The pasta can now be cooked in boiling water for about 3 to 4 minutes. While the pasta cooks, saute 1 finely chopped onion, 3 garlic cloves and about 5 ounces of mushrooms in a pan. To make the tahini sauce, add all of the remaining ingredients into a bowl and mix well. Now you can add the pasta, sauce and onion mix together. Gently combine. Top it all off with some crushed walnuts and, of course, Country Life's delicious vegan parmesan. This recipe is too good not to try. Like and follow for more.